introduction about the parabola. Now here in this figure we are having different parabolic structures, uses for the parabolic things, okay, in our real life. Now basically in the introduction what I told you, that reflectors used in the vehicles, planetary motions, discs, different type of things in the science, for example lenses and all these things. In each and everything, basically what I want to tell you, in each and everything we are using conic sections, and the most used is a parabola. Now in this figure you can just check it. A building is there, this tomb is a parabolic, this is a bridge, bridge is based on these parabolic things, this is a parabolic, a gate. So each and everything in the real life you will find that if you are just looking towards the nature, you will see bundle of things for the parabolics, okay. Now here two extra figures are there. One, our fingers, fingers are also parabolic. Then our foot, it is also parabolic, this is a parabolic shape. If it is a straight, if it would have been a straight, then it would have been cracked. The weight of the body, it could not have hold the weight of the body until this is not a parabolic. So now with this figure, when again I am just giving you nice figure for the real life situations, just check it. A nature getting a parabolic form, a fish moving like this in the planetary type, projectiles type, okay. A fountain, after some height it is again going to come back, it a projectile. McDonald's, they have used the symbol. This doesn't mean that McDonald's they have used only M as their symbol. No, that is wrong. They have used a parabolic symbol which makes a M, two parabolas making the M, okay. This means what? That it lasts long, okay. Doesn't mean it is you can say just alphabetical M. No, this is some sense is there. It lasts forever, it lasts long, okay. Again you can see a bridge here. So these are all some real life situations where we are using the parabolics